Most of the coaches start their journey with a lot of passion but get stuck at a point where they find no clarity in their business, they find no clients, they don't know a system, they don't know a roadmap to scale their business or to get some clients. और इसी चीज को आज ब्रेक करने के लिए आई हैव केम अप विद दिस सीरीज, जहां पे वी आर गोइंग टू गो फ्रॉम जीरो टू हेल्प यू अर्न अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन योर कोचिंग बिजनेस. And I'm going to do this with a series of episodes. इस series में there are more than 11 episodes to be precise. And first episode, second episode, third episode, सब कुछ एक दूसरे के साथ interconnected है. And I am going to make this YouTube videos without any script. I'll be very transparent and honest with you. I have made notes here, right? So this is episode 0, this is episode 1, this is episode 2. So I'm being very honest with you. I have the notes over here, but though these notes aren't any scripts, मैं कोई scripted video नहीं बनाना चाहता, because that is not me, right? जब आपको पता है कि आप क्या करते हो, you don't need a script to teach people, right? So I don't have any script, but yes, I have made a lot of notes just so that I don't miss on any points. So I'm going to look into this sometimes and teach you over here. तो आपको लग सकता है कि I'm reading out the script, but that's not the thing. At the same time, I want to make this video very raw. I'm not gonna edit this. There are just few cuts. If let's suppose I'm taking a huge pause, then वहाँ पे कुछ cuts होंगे so that I don't waste your time. But this will be completely raw, completely transparent, and there will be no promotion, nothing in this entire series, right? तो start करते हैं. First of all, if you don't know me, I'm Shubham Chaudhari, and I run a consulting firm जहाँ पे मैं coaches को ट्रेन करता हूँ, मेंटोरिंग करता हूँ, हेल्प करता हूँ, सिखाता हूँ कुछ स्किल्स दैट आर वेरी मच नीडेड इन द मार्केट, लाइक मार्केटिंग स्किल्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस फ्रॉम पास्ट 2 years नाउ. उससे पहले मैं एक एजेंसी ओनर खुद था. उसके पहले आई वॉज अ फ्रीलांसर. सो वॉट एवर आई एम गोना टीच यू टूडे, I have done it on my own. I have done it and implemented it on my clients when I used to do freelancing and agency business. And this is something that I have been teaching more than 70 plus coaches now when I came into consulting firm. And I have generated great results. To be very honest, I'm nothing to brag you over here, but we have generated more than 1 CR of revenue in past 1.5 years. And our clients all combined have made more than 50 lakh rupees. And ये नंबर्स मैं इसलिए आपको बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि एक मोटिवेशन मिलता है, एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है कि हाउ समवन कैन अर्न दिस मनी, तो इवन आई कैन अर्न दिस मनी, राइट? सो व्हाट इज दिस सीरीज अबाउट? ओके, so this series, as you can see, the name is the Coaching Business Blueprint. So I have tried to made a blueprint of this entire series, and इसमें जितने भी episodes है, me and my partner Shervil, we have literally giving our like day and night, and we have made the entire series. Like हमने पूरे plan किया है क्या notes रहेंगे क्या नहीं रहेगी. So I'll just go through and tell you कि क्या रहेगा इसमें. So as you can see, this is a episode 0, where I'm just going to reveal what is this series about, what are the expectations that you should be setting, what is the episode 1, what is 2, episode 3, 4, and so on. So let's get started. So episode 1 is about niche messaging, positioning, and targeting. So the goal over here will be for you, the coaches, to understand कैसे आप एक niche में आप खुद को position कर सकते हो, and how you can keep your messaging so that you stand out from your competition. Because a lot of coaches nowadays say कि competition बढ़ गया है and XYZ things, but that is not true, guys. I'll tell you the stats in next episode. Yeah, episode 2 is crafting your irresistible offer. I have seen lot of coaches with zero offer, like they have no offer. They are just coming into the market saying कि मेरे 2 कॉल के इतने पैसे हैं, 1 कॉल का इतना पैसा है, I have 1 month package, 1 month package का इतना है. But that's not how you package your price, right? Package your product, I mean. There are ways to do it properly, and I have taken inspiration. I have myself learned a lot from Alex Hormozy and other marketing gurus, and I have tried to combine my experience and Alex Hormozy's teaching into this module, or you can say episode. And in this second episode, you will get to see that. The third episode is about profile optimization. So this is a very basic episode जहाँ पे आपको ये समझेगा कि कैसे आप एक बायो रख सकते हो, कैसे इंस्टाग्राम को एक सेल्स मशीन की तरह आपको यूज करना है. So you'll get to learn about that. Episode number 4 is about content marketing frameworks. So I am going to give you not a very detailed, I will say, to be very honest, but a basic information and knowledge of how you can create content. What are the frameworks for creating content? How you can create a talking reel, B-roll, how you can create a carousel, how you can create a static post, कैसे आप Instagram stories को plan कर सकते हो, everything about it. And when I say content marketing framework, we personally use only Instagram to get leads, and Instagram as in organic Instagram marketing, and also paid ads. We don't teach Facebook organic marketing क्योंकि because we ourselves hasn't implemented, and मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मैं आपको ऐसे कुछ सिखाऊं जो मैं खुद नहीं करता. मैं पहले करता था, but I have not recently done any Facebook का strategy which will help me get leads. So I'm not gonna get into that. LinkedIn I don't know. So just Instagram use करके आप कैसे leads attract कर सकते हो through your Instagram, that I'm going to teach. Episode 5 is high ticket launchpad system. So there's a system that we follow जो हमें बहुत leads लाके देता है, and at the same time हमारे clients को leads लाके देता है. Leads, not only leads but actually qualified leads who are asking you about your offer. How great it sounds, right? People are gonna ask me about my offer. Yes, we have created a system जहाँ एक system create कर सकते हो where people are going to come to you and they are gonna ask you for your offer. They are gonna ask you for your services and your packages, right? The next episode is sixth episode. That is उसमें हम सिखाएंगे how to create a pre-call nurturing video. So I'll tell you, this entire series is for high ticket business owners, high ticket coaches. If you are selling a product worth 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, doing webinars, this entire series is of no use for you because that is not something we teach. We have a very unique selling system, and this is for someone who has just started out, right? I understand if you are selling a low ticket product, that means you are having a great authority in the market, you might be running ads, बट ये जो सीरीज है वो उनके लिए है जिनके पास एड चलाने का भी शायद आज पैसा नहीं है, राइट? एंड नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट. दैट इज समथिंग जो हमारे केस में भी अप्लाई करता था. Even we didn't have the budget. Even our clients who came to us didn't have the budget. But I'm going to teach you how you are going to run ads in a very cheap price. At the same time, this is not just inorganic way. आप organic and inorganic दोनों को combine करके कैसे कर सकते हो. Episode 7 is where we launch completely organic plan. एक मैं बना के आपको देने वाला हूँ of 14 days, जहाँ पे आप कॉल बुक करोगे, आपके ऑफर को वैलिडेट करोगे, and you will move ahead with it. Eighth episode is all about creating and writing winning ads, जहाँ पे आप ads कैसे स्टोरी टेलिंग फॉर्मेट में बना सकते हो which engages with your audience, and the people that want to opt for your services come and DM you how it works and everything about it. Episode 9 is about scaling with Launchpad ads. So ये Launchpad system जो है उसके ads कैसे work करते हैं, and how this 0 to 10 lakh rupees in your coaching business wala funnel works. That is something that we are going to teach in this episode 9. Episode 10 is about what is high ticket Launchpad. So episode 10 में I'm to, like, आप कह सकते हो कि I'm gonna soft pitch you. I'll be very honest with you. I'm gonna soft pitch you because एक वेबिनार करने वाले हैं जिसमें हम एंटायर इकोसिस्टम को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हैं, एंड ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू गिव अ चांस फॉर पीपल टू वर्क विथ अस, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा मेरे प्रोग्राम के बारे में जानने को मिलेगा. बट दैट इज कम्प्लीटली अप टू यू. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू कि आपको आना जरूरी है, ठीक है. सो यू कैन जस्ट लाइक वॉच दोज वीडियोज जहाँ पे आपको वैल्यू मिल रही है, एंड यू कैन एंजॉय इट. बट episode 10 will be wherein I help you understand how a system works, how a program works, and everything, right? So this is it. नाउ हु इज दिस सीरीज फॉर? जैसे मैंने कहा, ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो एक कोच है, हीलर है, एंड हु आर एक्सपर्ट इन देयर इंडस्ट्री, who are just starting out. They don't have funds to buy any programs or any run any high end ads जहाँ पे हजारों लाखों रुपए आपको खर्च करने पड़ रहे हैं on ads. You don't have money to spend on funnel. And मैं जानता हूँ, like I have been here, like all those fancy funnels that people try to sell are very easy to show, but to implement, it takes your blood and sweat. And I'm not saying this is some shortcut that I am going to share with you. Not at all. It requires hard work, it requires dedication. But whatever system I am going to give you today is something that you can implement right away. You don't need to hire any freelancer, you don't need to hire anyone, you don't need to hire any agency, you don't need to hire any performance marketer to run ads. This system is something जो आप खुद अपने आप से कर सकते हो. All right. And why listen to me, right? Because I'm not someone who is going to teach you just theory. I'm going to practically show you, like if you have been active and seeing my YouTube videos, I have been always sharing my screen and teaching you something. I'm not someone जो ऐसे आप for apple before ball ये ऐसे theory सिखाता है. I have been into technical marketing things, and I am going to be very much practical. मैं आपको कुछ prompts भी दूंगा जो you can use and get your offer ready right away and things like that, right? Yeah. So what you will get after this entire series, by the end of this series, you are gonna get your profitable niche. I'm sorry for the lag. So you're gonna get your profitable niche. You're gonna build your high ticket offer. You're gonna learn how to create content. You're gonna implement a system in your business which will help you get leads, inbound leads rather, and which will help you close clients with ease, right? And yeah, that is it. Like this is something for coaches जो like a lot of people might be thinking कि मुझे एक ऐसी YouTube सीरीज चाहिए जो मुझे जीरो से एंड तक सब कुछ फ्री में ट्रांसपेरेंट विदाउट एनी कवर्स विदाउट एनी फिल्टर्स सिखाएगी. So this is it, guys. This series is something that is going to help you a lot in your business. Like I have tried my best, Shavil has tried his best, we have tried our best to give the knowledge and share whatever things we have, the things that we teach to our clients. We are going to directly share it over here. And tell me in the comments, like how which like you are in of the journey you are in. Do you want any specific things to be covered? Do you want any specific questions to be answered in this series? Do you want any Q&A like in the episode 11, let's suppose, or episode, we can add up one episode and do a Q&A. So if you are someone who wants something like this, do comment below and let us know. And at the same time, you have started this coaching business to prove yourself, right? I have seen a lot of coaches who have started this business to prove themselves that they are good at what they do, right? So this is the chance, guys. I'm being very honest with you. Take this series very seriously because I am taking it very seriously and going ahead and giving you all the stuff that I use for my coaching business and I teach my clients. So be very, very serious. If you are ready for this series, drop in the comments that I am ready. And soon you will get the part 1, that is episode 1, on how to decide your niche, how to position yourself, and how to do the targeting. So this series will literally change the way you are doing your business in next few months, right? All right, that's it for this episode, and I'll see you on the other end.